How to change your mobile theme. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily change the theme of your mobile in just few simple steps. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to change the theme of your mobile, you have to press and hold on the mobile display, and here you will see wallpaper and style and the next themes. Click on themes, and here you will see all the themes related to your mobile and all the themes available in your mobile setting and mobile themes. So guys, from here you can set any theme. For example, if I set this theme, so click on download, and for this you have to sign in with your Samsung account or any other account that you have using in your mobile. So after that you can set a new theme in your mobile. So guys, in this way you can set a new theme or change your existing theme in your mobile very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.